Alright, so Jack, he just finished basking and nibbling on some bee pollen. And he curled up in his little favorite hiding spot, which is between these two rocks. He's getting almost a little too big to fit in there. Let's see. Get a little closer. Have to open the lid and use my super high tech lid holder. What are you doing under there, Jack? Are you done? Come on, come back out. Anyway. That little dude, he may be done for the day. And then, if we go over here, the girls are digging. Oh, she's chewing on a little bit of her bee pollen. Chrissy's digging a little bit. Over here we got the ornates. It's Callie, she's basking. Fat boy. Gotta clean his cage after his morning constitution. I don't know where Little Bit's at. She was just on her little basking spot when I put the bee pollen in, but looks like she dipped. And Ivory. Gotta clean hers as well. I think I see her. Let's see if we can look at her. She's under there. She's under there. Dug in. Anyway. Get it, Chrissy. So yeah, just a lazy Sunday here at the old Refuge. About to spot clean a little bit. Fat boy. Anyway. I just thought it was cool to see Jack hidden. Let's see what the Ackies are up to. She's chilling. Promise not to mess up the algorithm by hashtagging Ackie Monitor. But yeah, she's chilling. It's Alkira. Kaya. He's doing the second thing. Catching some UVB. Aren't you, Kaya? And of course, Millie's outside. So when she wakes up in the morning, I put her out, turn the lights out in the old barn house while she goes outside. So yeah, just a lazy Sunday. Got to get some snakes fed. Tortoises are out soaking. Kaya. It's my little buddy right there. Anyway, over and out.